on, Jiren, come on.
Hi, myself Aditya Rivela and I play pickleball professionally.
What do you have to say about this Delhi Cup and what do you have to say about the interest is growing for the sport pickleball?
I mean, Delhi Cup is a great initiative by the people who's organizing it. I mean, it brings together a lot of people with the same enthusiasm and the love for the sport. And the sport is massively increasing and everybody knows. So Delhi Cup is an initiative to promote pickleball in Delhi so more and more people can get the feel of, playing here. Here we have 10 teams and 10 teams contain 8 players. So 80 players are participating and it's great to be here. The environment is very enthusiastic and it's pickleball so everybody is loving it.
And if you talk about the popularity of the sport, everyone is speaking about people of different age groups are playing.
Yeah.
How do you see the future of this sport?
I mean, the pickleball future is very, very bright. I mean, if somebody wants to play for the recreational purposes, it's great for health. If somebody wants to do it professionally, it's a lot of success coming in and lots of tournaments as sports is very recently being nationalized. So I mean, now is your time to start playing. I mean, it's the best time to play. Thank you.
Manresh Malhotra. I am the founder of Speed Up Club. So this is a very collaboration between Find Your Fit and Speed Up Club. So that's how we did it together. It's called the Delhi Cup and it's in the league format.
So talking about the Delhi Cup, players from all age groups playing and competing. How do you see the rise of pickleball here in India?
So I see that after cricket, this is the only sport which is going to be at that level. Okay, this is such a crazy sport that it's the fastest growing sport in the world. Not forget India, And the best part about the sport is that, the age group from 5 years till 80 years, that's the biggest bandwidth you can ever find in any sport. So that's the beauty of pickleball.
Talking about this pickleball, I mean, since the popularity you're saying all over the world is growing, when are you going to see India making it big internationally in this?
So India is already on the start. If you look at all our players, one of the players, I would just name him Arman Bhatia. He's already playing with the US and he beat world number 1 Ben Jones. So that's what India is growing up to. And we just need, once the schools are getting into the pickleball, once it comes in the national level and, maybe CBSE says, boss, it's like you make it mandatory. Every student is there is so much of talent in India. You can't even imagine where India is going to grow. Thank you.
Sir, tell us about the Delhi Cup and how you're associated with it. As this sport, pickleball is growing in India very rapidly.
I think the Speed Up is doing an amazing job of hosting this Delhi Cup. I think it's getting a lot of sportsmen out on the open to play one of the best social sports of the country today, which is pickleball. And I guess the level of people who are playing here as a sport, some of the best players in Delhi are playing here. I think it's a absolutely energetic environment here, and I think kudos to the team which is building such a nice environment for sports. But first of all, building amazing facilities here, not only here in multiple parts in Delhi and India. I think it's a time for more people to pick up this sport. Follow people like, the people on Speed Up and participate in this cup. And in future, I think it's going to get bigger, I guess. Yeah.
And do you also play?
For last 3 years, it's one of my favorite sports. I think every evening, if I am in Delhi, I want to play. I play at Vasantia Club. It's absolutely fun because you enjoy playing with so many players. You get to interact with them. But it's also very good exercise. And as you keep playing, especially at a certain high level, doubles or singles, it's a pretty energetic and, strenuous game. It looks easy, but mind you, it's not easy. It just gets better and better. And once you get to the, hook of it, you keep learning better. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Your name, please.
Hi, I'm Moini Priya and I'm the owner of the team Delhi Smashers at the Delhi Cup.
Quickly go and start the match.
What got you into pickleball, a sport which is still going rapidly in
Yeah,
India? and
that's
you
right.
picked up the sport?
I think the answer is in the question because this is rapidly growing in India and it's in its nascent stages. So I think it was the right time to get into pickleball and I think in the next 5 years it's going to boom.
Talking about having this team at Delhi Smashers, how do you see the growth of your team and then of the sport in India for future?
See, for this season, this is the first season, so we are not really focused on the scoreboard for this season. We were more focused on building a balanced team which can grow over the years. So that is the ethos of Delhi Smashers and we've got the best players and we're going to, maybe they're going to grow year after year. That's our agenda. Yeah. Thank you.
Sir, please tell your name, please, and your association with the Delhi Cup.
Hi, my name is Kapil Handa and I represent the team Noida Net Ninjas, and he's my young son who's taken into pickleball recently, and that's why we decided to participate in the Delhi Cup, and we're very happy to be here today, and we had a fantastic day and a very tough competition. I think considering the scene of pickleball between Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai, I think Delhi is not behind anymore, and it was a great experience for us all.
If you talk about if you talk about the rise of this sport, how do you see the rise of this sport in India, and where do you see the future of this sport?
It's a new game. It's catching on very fast. I think just 2 years back, people started hearing about pickleball, and within 2 years, there's been significant progress in game, and as you can see behind me, people are going crazy about this, and I think in few years time you'll see it maybe more popular than tennis and badminton.
Hi, I'm Lakshay Honda.
So, you like the sport pickleball, and why?
I love pickleball because it's if you play tennis is too frustrating, and that and badminton you need a lot of you need to stay the shuttle needs to stay in the air and it's not fun, but look at pickleball. It's so fun, and it's a mix of tennis, table tennis and badminton. As you can see, the court is badminton court, and the play is kind of tennis, and the rackets and balls are kind of table tennis. So it's very new and it's very cool and fun.
Hi, my name is Khushi Sachdeva. I play for Yes Minister Dinkers.
Talking about pickleball, how come you picked up the sport, and how come you now become already a star?
I started playing pickleball 1.5 to 2 years back. Dilip sir, I used to play tennis under him, and he introduced me to the sport. And I really like this sport. It's a low intensity, hard to master sport, and I really find this very thrilling, even after tennis especially. So yes, I'm really glad to play pickleball also, professionally now.
How do you see the growth and rise and the future of the sport in India?
The growth is phenomenal. Even we have seen that from people not knowing what pickleball is to now even the kids knowing what pickleball is. And I am just hoping that this grows exponentially through the years. Thank you.
Seem to be in a hurry.